Today is the final event of Animal Wars. Animal Wars. They don't have cars and they don't go to bars. The new theme song with the new tune. Okay, today is the semifinals of a grand prize of a gift from New York Life Insurance and a digital camera. Memory card not included. Okay. Prices may vary. Okay. Today is Rhino versus Lionel for the main event. On your mark. Get set. Go! I'm gonna do some butt kicking. Not really, I'm too good for you. Go! Oh! You jabbed me in the eye. You little... Oh yeah? Face the wrath of sliding rhino. Oh yeah? Face the wrath of raged lion. Roar! And now, our final moves. Run! Oh yeah? I am last year's champion. I'm too strong for... Too violent, may be blocked. Okay. The winner of this year's challenge is Rhino! Oh wow, that's some severe injuries. Let's get him to the hospital quick. You won the grand prize! Here's your insurance and here's your camera. Let me take pictures of my nemesis and how I beat him up. I'm taking pictures of the losers. I'm taking pictures of the losers. And that's it for today. And wait till next season. Animal Idol!